Hey guys, what's up? I'm pretty much, I got the mystery box from Drone Drop. Make sure to check out what I got inside. It's a big thing. So you need to check it out. Here it comes. Alright, this is what we've been waiting for. This is the mystery box. If I can get it here. Rip.
Really? There you go.
Take that back. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum.
Ooh, back up. Ooh.
Ooh, I don't know what the heck these FPV camera.
Wow. What is that?
I don't. Looks like a motor. I think it is a motor of some sort.
You want me to hold the camera?
I got it. Oh my god. Those are some tiny motors.
Wow.
Wow. Those are some tiny motors. I got 4 of them. Oh, you know what this is?
It's build your own mini drone.
Uh-huh. Because there's the
Frame.
There's the frame. Five G8. That's a duh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another. No, this ain't no FPV camera.
No.
Here, hold that. Hold it on me. There we go.
Just your hands, guys. Just your hands.
Yeah.
Your belly button shows.
I don't know what the heck this thing is.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Take that back.
Don't be.
Oh my goodness.
Whatever it is, it's...
That's a
Don't be.
it's a board.
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. So you get to build your own drone.
Pretty much.
You don't have a controller for it, but...
It's pretty much everything you need. Like they said, it's going to be everything you need. Except you got to supply the... Look at the little mini props.
Aw, they're cute. Yeah. There's a lot of those, huh?
Yeah. And then, God, man, I can't believe how small these motors are. Those motors are tiny. Look at that.
Hold it still so I can get in there. Those are really small.
I mean, seriously. I wonder if we can... see if we can pull one out. There.
Wow.
Those are tiny.
Alright, move your big hands out of the way. Wow.
Wow. That's what you get.
That's what you got.
That's what I got. And,
FPV cam.
let me see this real quick. Sorry, dog.
Really? Is that tiny too? Yeah.
Yeah, there's the wires.
Okay.
Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Man.
That's tiny too.
Yeah, let's just try not to drop it.
It's a micro drone.
Look at that. Voila.
Wow. Oh, look at the big lens on it.
That's a big old lens.
Is that a lens cap?
Yeah, that's the lens cap.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, your big ass fingers are in the way.
FPV camera.
Alrighty.
That's what it was.
Your big man hands. Alright. So, thanks, Drone Drop.
Thank you, Drone Drop.
Alright.
They ship internationally, and the subscription is $39.99. So make sure to get your Drone Drop subscription every month. Every month. $39.99. It's worth it.